No. Yeah. Echo. Two 995 on the left, Captain.
RPM's coming up.
RPMs are good.
Down and lock.
Props to go.
Props to go.
Tower, November
Right of center line, Captain.
14
Copy,
miles.
correct.
Airspeed descending.
Full stop.
Add some power.
But
Yep.
after.
Good. More power, more power.
Yep.
12 Sierra Alpha, Kissimmee Tower. Stay in your position.
Fuel pumps are coming on.
14
Left and right.
miles to the southeast.
Air conditioners off. Landing lights,
12
taxi
Sierra
lights.
Alpha, Roger. Continue, give me a call when you're about 10
Props to go,
outside.
Captain.
Don't
Copy,
see
props.
them
Go ahead,
that
element.
far out.
Props coming
Copy
in.
that, 10 out, 12 Sierra Alpha, we'll report back.
Right of center line.
Correcting.
Speed is perfect. A little high.
WT4 Juliet, I
Yeah.
got traffic short fan. I'll be able to get you out right
A
after.
little late on that.
No problem, thank you.
Pull the power back.
8 Foxtrot Charlie, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to run you out just a little bit for
little
your
bit more.
touch and go. Traffic on a 2-mile final you'll be following.
Speed looks good. Hold everything right there,
looking
man.
for
Copy.
success,
Don't
8
change your friggin' thing.
6495
some
Golf Con,
uptrim.
taxi runway
Uptrim.
33
Add
via
some
Alpha,
power.
stay with me.
Add a little
Little
power.
bit, little
Yeah.
bit.
That's good.
Taxi via Alpha to runway 33
Relax.
and let's go.
Slowly pull the power. Nose down.
28 Foxtrot Charlie, Roger, you'll be following that traffic.
Following that, base on Charlie.
Pull back the
Tango
power
Delta traffic
all
with
the
the
way.
car to your arrival.
Hold it. Oh, look at that. There we go.
Number 7 Zulu Mike, where are you parking?
Max helicopter.
Right, you told me that already. 7 Zulu Mike, no delay down the runway 624 and then right on Delta. Left on 64, right on Delta, ground point 7, he'll get you there.
Right here.
Yep.
Okay, left turn.
Number 1324 Juliet, runway 33, cleared for takeoff, heading
Make sure
270,
you
traffic
slow
on
when you
3/4
make that
mile
turn
final, no
though
delay.
for the gears.
Heading 270, we're waiting for the traffic to get out of here, no delay.
Did
7
we
Zulu
miss
Mike,
that?
thank you again for that. Turn right on Delta, ground point 7, he'll get you there.
Landing lights on.
5 Hotel,
We have a
just
5-minute cool
get
down.
a
We need to be
confirmation
really
for
more strict
Contact
about.
hotel traffic, taking the runway for departure.
I've got the
clear.
radio. We're going to go here, make a left.
Thanks for speed, you're understanding 195 Tango Hotel.
We're clear to taxi or no?
And Kissimmee ground, Navajo 777 Zulu Mike. We're at Delta Bravo, like a taxi.
You ever wondered why people become really successful? One of the keys is they're incredibly persistent. Do you want to be more persistent? Here's the book you need. You can't fillet and nibble. It's the catch that counts. Click the link in the description and it'll be yours.